What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Hakeem back with another prank. It's about to go down back in the Kenty household again. I know y'all seen that last video. My wife got me. But you know what? She behind the camera right now. So I ain't gonna talk. I ain't gonna say too much about her. You know, she got with that little snake. But don't worry, y'all. First, right now, I'm gonna get the kids. I'm gonna come back to you. Alright? Yeah, you. I'm gonna come back to you. But, alright, y'all, it's about to go down real quick. I had to hurry up and slide off in our little YouTube room downstairs real quick. The kids upstairs. So, alright, just real quick. This is how it's gonna go down. We just bought some groceries. So, y'all about to see all this. We're gonna clean out the refrigerator. What I'm gonna do is take. I'm like, dang, bro. So
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Alright.
There you go.
Alright, y'all. My bad. Go.
What's wrong, booty?
Go. Alright, y'all. My bad, y'all. Kids was just at the door, so I'm trying to slide off. But just real quick, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this mask. What I'm gonna do is clean out the whole refrigerator. I'm gonna hide this mask, and we're gonna try to get the kids together to come down to the refrigerator, open the refrigerator. I'm gonna come out that mother. Oh, I got a knife in the car. It's a fake knife. It's a plastic knife. I'm gonna go get that too. But I'm gonna try to dress up and I don't know. I'm gonna put like a hoodie, all black on, and I'm gonna just come out the refrigerator like. Hey, but y'all know what though? Alright, y'all. But we about to get into this. Stay tuned. Let's get it in.
Yep. Okay, guys, so I'm about to go upstairs with the kids. They're upstairs in the loft watching Zootopia. So I'm gonna go up there like I'm just about to lounge around with them. I know Maya is definitely gonna ask for some more Skittles. So I'm gonna just be like, Mari, go downstairs with your sister to get her Skittles, but let her do it. And I'm gonna tell him they in the refrigerator or whatever. So we're about to get right into this video. He's getting prepared to get into the refrigerator. So this is gonna be so funny, guys. We have the other camera set up over there on the other side of the room. We got it hidden in between the curtains. We ready? Let's go.
Oh my God. Yo, this will slam the door on me. Hiya. Mama, why you slam the door on Daddy?
I'm
Yo, she opened up the door. Yo.
Mommy.
She said she gonna smack you.
Boy, I gotta see this.
Did she open the fridge?
Come here, Mama.
Bro, that's
Look. Come here, booty. Come here, mommy.
wow.
We going?
Come here, girl.
Daddy, get me.
Daddy's
do
catching.
Mommy, me.
How? What him do?
Me in the foot.
Did Daddy get you though?
No.
Daddy didn't get you. You sure slammed the door.
The fridge. I was like, what is that in the crack of the fridge? I was like, oh my gosh, that's a clown.
Did Daddy scare you too?
Yep, I started back. I was like about right here, and I just started backing up.
You left your sister?
No, I didn't leave her. I ran around the couch.
You left her. I'm still leaving her.
But you just started chasing me.
Daddy got y'all? We gotta get Daddy back, huh?
So, team who? Team Daddy?
Is it Team Daddy or
Is it
Team Tutu and Boo Boo?
Team Mari and Mama.
All right, y'all. So I got him, y'all. All right. But you know what? This one right here, this the one I want right here.
Me?
I want her. I'm coming, y'all. I promise you. It's the last thing I do. I'm coming. Stay tuned.